Linux kernel 6.16 is out, bringing faster performance, better hardware support, and improvements to file systems like Extension 4 and cacheFs. It introduces multi-block atomic writes and faster I/O, which can really help with heavy workloads. Looking ahead, kernel 6.17 might arrive a bit later than expected due to the maintainer's travel schedule. In gaming, Linux continues growing on Steam. July's survey shows nearly 2.9% of users are now on Linux, the highest in years. More gamers are also using AMD CPUs and higher clock speed setups, showing that Linux gaming rigs are getting stronger. Valve released Proton 10.02 in beta. It fixes issues in several games and improves compatibility for titles like Stardust Skate, Star Ocean, The Divine Force, and The Sims 2 Legacy Collection. It also improves support for Steam Deck and SteamOS. On the downside, Battlefield 6 is expected to be unplayable on Linux due to a strict anti-cheat that requires secure boot and kernel-level access. Something most Linux systems don't support by default. Security-wise, a new ransomware variant called GunRA is targeting Linux. It's designed to encrypt files and demand payment in crypto. Meanwhile, attackers have exploited a known SAP vulnerability to install backdoors on Linux servers using malware called autocolor. Patches exist, but not everyone has applied them. Arch Linux's AUR also faced trouble as malicious packages spread the Chaos Rat Trojan. They've been removed, but it's a reminder to always check sources before installing. In better news, Kali Linux now runs in containers on macOS with Apple Silicon. This makes it easier for security professionals to use Linux tools on modern Macs without needing a full virtual machine. The Linux Foundation has launched AGNTCY, a project to standardize how AI agents work together. It's backed by major tech companies and could help simplify open-source AI development. The developer of DuckStation, a PlayStation 1 emulator, says Linux support may eventually be dropped due to maintenance challenges, though it's still supported for now. Flatpaks are also under review after real-world testing showed some apps could escape their sandboxing limits. It's raising questions about how secure the model really is. And in the next kernel update, Linux 6.17 brings scalable block allocation to Extension 4. This should boost performance for systems with heavy parallel file activity, building on the already strong improvements in 6.16.